Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we are going to discuss how we can change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge browser. So that's been said, let's get started. On Microsoft Edge browser we have Bing as a default search engine. Now if you want to change this search engine to different search engines like Google, DuckDuckGo and more, then follow this guide. For that, simply open Microsoft Edge browser, then click on the three dot. Here click on setting option and here simply select privacy, search and service option. After that scroll down until you find address bar and search option. Here we have search engine used in the address bar. By default it is set to Bing. If you want to change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge browser, from the drop down menu select your desired search engine. Say for example I want to change it to Google. I will simply select Google. Then simply close this setting window. Now whenever you search anything on your Microsoft Edge browser, it will search through Google. So that's it. This is how you can change the default search engine on Microsoft Edge browser. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.